Hello friends, welcome to another story time with Miss Power. Today's book is written by my all-time favorite children's author, Oliver Jeffers. If you are not familiar with him, then get familiar, people, because he is the best. He writes really incredible stories with the most beautiful and unique artwork. You will see soon enough, but I hope that you can find some other books by him for your home libraries. You will not regret it. Our story today is called Here We Are, Notes for Living on Planet Earth. Seems important right now that we know how to live on this beautiful planet of ours. Tells you how to find your way whenever you get lost by finding the North Star. Our solar system, one of not millions, not billions, but trillions. Here we are on Earth. We've got the other planets and our favorite dwarf planet, Pluto. Well, hello. Welcome to this planet. We call it Earth. It is the big globe floating in space on which we live. We're glad you found us, as space is very big. Here's us, and 238,855 miles away is the moon. There is much to see and do here on Earth, so let's get started with a quick tour. Mars, the next planet, is another 140 million miles that way. The planet is basically made up of two parts: land, rocks and dirt, and sea, water. Firstly, let's talk about the land. It's what we're standing on right now. We know lots about the land. And I'm sure you know too, it can be wet and hot and dry and flat. It can be bumpy, really hot, pointy, and cold. Then there is the sea, which is full of wonderful things. We know a bit about the sea, but we'll talk some more about that once you've learned to swim. Here's an iceberg, which is frozen water. And this says that the sea goes nearly 7 miles deep, we think. There is also the sky, though that can get pretty complicated. He shows a little bit about other planets and constellations, which are patterns of stars. Stars, which are burning balls of gas very far away that we can see at night unless it's raining. And a little bit about our atmosphere, wind and clouds, the land and the sea, outer space, the stratos thingy, and then the air we breathe. Okay, moving on. On our planet, there are people. One people is a person. You are a person. You have a body. We have a head, arms, belly, and legs. We have brain for thinking, a heart to pump your blood, lungs for breathing air, and bones to hold it all together. Look after it, as most bits don't grow back. Bits that grow back, nails and hair. The most important things for people to remember are to eat, drink, and stay warm. People come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. This is my favorite page. This is just a little sample of all the beautiful and different types of people that we can see on our Earth. And if you want to pause this video and talk about what you see, I think that'd be a really great idea. We may all look different, act different, and sound different, but don't be fooled. We are all people. Does anyone on here look like you? There are animals too. They come in even more shapes, sizes, and colors. They can't speak, though that's no reason not to be nice to them. I can. You may not be able to speak yet either, even though your head is filled with questions. Be patient. You'll learn how to use words soon enough. Generally, how it works is that when the sun is out, it is daytime, and we do stuff. The rest of the time is night, when it is dark, save for the moon, and we sleep. Not everybody wants to sleep. Please. Things can sometimes move slowly here on Earth. Oh, doesn't that look peaceful? More often, though, they move quickly. So use your time well. It will be gone before you know it. Though we have come a long way, we haven't quite worked everything out. So there's plenty left for you to do. You'll figure lots of things out for yourself. Just remember to leave notes for everyone else. It looks big, Earth, but there are lots of us on here. 7,327,450,667 and counting. Whew. So be kind. There's enough for everyone. Well, that is planet Earth. Make sure you look after it, as it's all we've got. Now, if you need to know anything else, just ask. I won't be far away. And when I'm not around, you can always ask someone else. You're never alone on Earth. All the people live here, no one lives here. Yet. Wasn't that a beautiful story? Did you enjoy the pictures as much as I do? It is truly one of my favorites. So let me know what you think. Take care.